Hello everybody, welcome back to another video in Crypto Scanner. So today we have a new video about a new event, an event in Mexc. But before we dive to this event, I would like to ask you to follow our channel, like to this video, and especially comment to this video to see your vision about all our videos. So let's go now after this intro. So welcome back to the second part of our video. Today I would like to talk about one of the most interesting features campaigns in Mexc. So they have launched the Flip Fest. I've been following a lot of trading events over the years, but this one stands out because it's not just about trading volume, it's about strategy, timing and daily decisions. And the best part, it's completely free to enter. So with a total price of 5 million USDT and no minimum threshold to start. As you see here, this is the page of our event, as you see here, and 5 million USDT. As you see here also, the event will start from 15 January and it will end until the 9 February. And the concept is very simple. So in the surface, but deeply, once you start playing it, you earn cards, build a hand, collect points, and those points determine you share a daily prize pool. So instead of big winner at the end, this is all about consistent daily rewards and smart participation. Let me explain how it actually works in a practical way. Once you register in this event, you can flip one pocket card instantly. No deposit needed. To flip the second one, you lock your hand rank, you need to deposit at least 100 USDT and trade this 100 USDT in features. Once you have both pockets, your hand is formed using those cards plus community cards revealing during the day. So every day Mexc reveals community cards in stages. 3 cards are revealed first, then the remaining 2 later on. Your final hand is always the best possible 5 card combination. So based on that hand you earn points, and those points decide how much the daily prize pool you can get. As you see here, this is the 5 community card for this round and they have been revealed, and this event will finish in 5 hours, as you see here. So what is the pocket card? Once the 2 pocket cards are flipped in hand format, all qualified for a share that the prize pool. Okay, as I said, you can register from here. The first one is for free, but you must deposit $100 and trade it in features to flip the second one. Okay, so trade your way to higher prize pool. So boost your features trading volume to claim your share at a higher prize pool. Starter pool, rising pool, elite pool and ultimate pool, all that depends on the trading volume. Starter pool and rising pool and elite pool ultimate with matrix and participant and prize pool by percentage, of course. Okay, so what is the frequently asked question here in this event? Let's talk about some of them so you can join. The first question: can I join other features individual challenger on M-Day events at the same day? Yes, you can that, and you can register for multiple events and final rewards will be distributed according to the rules of each event. Why wasn't my trading volume recorded even though I made a trade? So the answer is trading volume from zero fees feature trading or trades made using vouchers are exclusive for this event. In addition, trading volume may take sometimes actually more than 5 minutes to appear in the platform. Okay, so one thing I really like about FlipFest is the point-based system. So your rewards is calculated as your individual points divided by the total points in the pool, multiply the prize pool amount. That's mean timing, power cards and policies can make a big difference. So choosers will have the same volume, can end with different rewards depending on how they use the event features. And comparing to other campaigns, FlipFest feels more fair and more engaging. Many events rewards only rewards and require insane volume. Here, even users with modest trades can participate, learn and earn something. The free entry, no minimum threshold and daily rewards make it accessible, and the strategy elements keep it very interesting. Don't forget also to learn about the term and condition to have all the ideas and to benefit without any problem in the term or condition and also the rules of this event. So keep in mind, feature trades is zero fees and voucher don't count toward the valid trading volume. Copy trades don't count either. This is more because a lot of people miss volume requirements simple because they didn't read this part. And about rewards, they are distributed in 24 hours after settlement, and the features bonuses from this event are valid for 7 days. Don't forget to actually use this reward before they expire. So that was all about the event of today. Mexc have a very good event. Try to benefit from it before it expires, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to put like, subscribe to our channel, and especially comment to this video if you have any question, if I have the answer of course, and I will be here for any question that I can answer of course, and see you in the next video. Thank you.